Okay, so I have the exhaust kit from YiKatoo. It's the 5-inch for my 04.5 Duramax. And I just got finished pulling the old exhaust off. It looks lovely. So we're going to be replacing it with this 5-inch, and we'll keep you posted here as I get pieces installed. Okay, I got the front pipe in. The V-band is just loose. I can still move the pipe. Fit the hanger nicely. I did have to bend this hanger upward a little bit. The pipe was hitting the torsion bar cross member pretty hard. It's still resting on it now, but I think that'll go away when I start hanging the rest of the pipe. So we're going to move on to the S pipe. Okay, the S pipe, the sweeping pipe to bring the pipe back level, and the extension are in because I do have a long bed crew cab. This is a universal kit, so I use the hanger back here. There's another one for a different year truck, so it will fit multiple trucks. Okay, I have the over axle pipe fitted. It fits nicely, and the tailpipe fitted, and then I did buy a aftermarket 5 to 10 inch tip. So everything fits perfectly on this truck. Okay, we just finished putting the YiKatoo 5-inch Duramax exhaust on, and here's the first start. Sounds pretty good. Oh yeah, nice exhaust system. So I got a shout out to them guys at YiKatoo, because for the price you can't beat it. It fit perfect.